how to know where to use a subquery in select statement, the from statement, or the where statement. First thing first, you use a subquery in select statement when you need a single calculated value for each row, like aggregated matrix. Aggregated matrix means this is the aggregated sum, count, average. ठीक है? So you will be using a subquery in select statement whenever you need to find out a single calculated value for each row. ठीक है? Make sure you understand this, for each row. ठीक है? That is the thing. And the second thing what you have asked, from statement. You use subquery in from clause when you need a temporary table to join with other table. ठीक है? जैसे you write select everything from table A. ठीक है? Or you can say like, wait, let me write it clearly. Example, suppose you write select everything from table A, like this. Normal query you write. So rather than writing this table 1, you will write select average of this from table A, like this. Like this we write it from. ठीक है? This is a subquery. ठीक है? Simple. This is a subquery. So we use a subquery in from clause when we need to, I mean we need a temporary table to join with other table. ठीक है? It is the thing. And where clause, right? This is the second thing. The first thing. थर्ड चीज क्या है? where clause. ठीक है? where clause. ठीक. Where clause when we want to filter the main query based on another query result. ठीक है? It is like select, kind of example I am saying, from T1, where you can say where suppose profit greater than select average of profit from, like this I mean to say. ठीक है? This is the third thing in where clause. I will repeat once again. You use a subquery in where clause when you want to filter the main query based on the another query result.